So I got sunset and my own private bay.
Hey everybody, welcome to another video and good evening from Goa, India. I'm currently in the village of AGONDA. I've been here for about a week. And I was going to show you guys around town today and show you guys the sunset. But first I'll give you a quick little room tour. My room is $10 US a night, more than I usually pay, but it's New Year's and I wanted my own private room. I've got a couch, chair, my own breakfast kind of area, table, some awesome sheets here with a really comfy bed, fan, no AC, and my own bathroom with some pretty awesome tile here. So a lot fancier than I usually have, but since it's New Year's I'm treating myself. But now I was going to show you around town, take you down the beach and show you guys the sunset, so I hope you guys enjoy. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot. Go ahead and click it. I'll wait for you. Thank you. I do have a restaurant and bar in my hotel. It is pretty expensive though. Bodyboard rental right here. Pardon me. Thank you. So 80 rupees for a 650 milliliter Tuborg, strong, zest, vegan and veg cafe. I haven't eaten here. I did check out the menu though, and they do have an amazing looking menu. Very cool atmosphere in there, but the prices are pretty expensive. Around 5 to 7, 8 US dollars for a meal, which I'm not about to pay. Not when my average meal here costs 2 or 3 US dollars at the most, normally. Saturday night, Indian traditional Rajasthani folk dance, 7 p.m. Sounds cool. I just came from Rajasthan, which is up north of here. You can check out my other videos of that, of Jaisalmer, Jaipur. Pretty cool place, but pretty cold this time of year, which is why I came down here to Goa. So when I first arrived here in AGONDA, I had my own private beach hut for about 3 days. Although they weren't right on the beach, I had to walk about 50 meters or so. And they weren't this nice for sure. But that cost me 900 rupees a night, which is about $12.50 US dollars. So I helped a couple crews move their boats up the beach last night. Basically, they take these big timbers, they're like railroad ties almost, and they coat them in oil and space them a couple meters apart. And then you just slowly move it up the beach, push it up the beach, 3 or 4 timbers at a time. I saw a group of girls doing some yoga here on the beach a couple days ago in their bikinis, which looked pretty brave considering their choice of clothing. Pardon me. Hello. Hey, little guy. Pardon me. Great. Yesterday when I was here, I was up on my spot. That rock up there. Some foreigners saw me up there, so now it's their spot, I guess. Alright, back into the jungle to find my own place to check out the sunset. I'm going deep within monkey territory now. There we go. Yeah, this looks pretty good. My own private bay. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Pretty private. I'm not completely alone. There's a couple people over there. And we got a fisherman over there. But besides that, I'm alone. Good enough for me. Pretty good end to the evening. I know this video is not sponsored by Tuborg. So the moon is coming out, the sun is down, so I'm gonna head back in before it gets too dark. Say goodbye to my little private bay. I'm leaving AGONDA tomorrow, heading to Palolem, just south of here. Of course they're not gonna let me film them, but there's bats everywhere. Little bats, big bats. Some of the bigger ones look like flying foxes. I'm not sure actually though. Giant flying vampire bats. Tides come in quite a bit. There's a lot of nice bars and restaurants right on the beach, but you are going to pay more for those kind of places. Some of these places here are pretty fancy.
Hi bro, how are you?
Hello, good and you?
And a fresh fish of the day.
Oh, nice, looks good.
Hello.
And crab too, nice. Best happy hour. Although I am vegetarian, looking at that fish did make me kind of hungry. Tell me about it. Thai yoga massage, respect nature, good food, good vibes, climbing, adventure never ends. Alright, I'm getting hungry. Veg sandwich grilled, 80 rupees. Banana lassi, 110, that's a little expensive. Greek salad, 200, sounds good. Here we are again at St. Anne's. Good evening. Traffic jam. So I stopped off at a fancy restaurant to have a big meal. For one thing, I'm hungry. I want to treat myself. But also, I only have a 2,000 rupee note on me, which are really hard to break in a lot of smaller places. So I came to this fancy restaurant. Hopefully they can break it. I was thinking mozzarella, tomato, basil toast for 140. What else they got? The momos sound good, veg momos. But I was thinking something more exotic while I'm here in India, like spicy veg burrito with Indian hint. Sounds adventurous. Mint lime soda. Pretty much like a virgin mojito. It's pretty good. So my appetizer and dinner came at the exact same time. Convenient. Tomato mozzarella basil toast and veg burrito. Looks pretty good. Pardon me. So my dinner ended up costing me 400 rupees, including the tip, which is about, I don't know, $5, $5.50, $5.60 US or something. So relatively expensive for India, but relatively cheap compared to the US or other Western countries. And I couldn't finish my meal, so I got half my burrito for takeaway. So I got that for later, for breakfast tomorrow. So that's it, everybody, for my walk around AGONDA. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.